Hello students, how are you all? Let's revise a previous chapter which we had done, which was elephant in step-by-step drawing. Now we know how to do our step-by-step drawings by using our basic shapes. You know the basic shapes such as square, rectangle, triangle, circle and an oval. So, do you know fun facts about birds? Birds have feathers, wings, lays eggs, and are warm blooded. There are around 1,000 different types of species. The ostrich is the largest bird. Scientists believe that birds evolved from a dinosaur, and birds have hollow bones so that they can fly. There are many types of birds seen around us. So, today we will learn our favorite bird. Step by step drawing of a bird on page 20. Let's watch the video. Color the outline with a black sketch pen as I am doing it here. Trace along the dotted line very neatly. Steps I have already shown you, so you have to practice those shapes, okay? As I have shown you. And continue with the outline. And after you have finished with the outline, color the edges first and then the inner part. So once this is complete, this should be a final drawing. Thank you for watching. Bye.